Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we'll just look about anchor tag, okay, anchor elements. Generally what we can say in general terms, what is anchor tag? Okay, we can say which binds to web pages. Yeah, it sounds good, but what binds? With the help of image or text, when the user hits on the text or any image, it will be redirected to another page. Okay, even that can be also called as anchor tag. We'll see the generalized definition of anchor tag. It helps to navigate from one web page to another web page with the help of text or an image is called an hyperlink. Even you can call it as hyperlink or anchor tag. Both are same. Okay, yeah, and it is represented as in angular brackets of a. Okay, if we write a, it means it is an anchor tag in HTML. And what is the general syntax of anchor tag is represented as below, like anchor tag, and href stands for the reference, hyperlink reference, and xyz.html, and we are displaying a text on the browser like view page. This view page will be represented with a blue line, blue color with an underline there, and when user hits on that, it will be redirected to xyz.html. Let's see the demo in VS Code. Okay, I'm opening the VS Code. Yeah, here it is. I'm just trying to create a anchor.html. Yeah, that will be fine. Okay, I'm just closing it down and I'm writing the boiler code. And let's see, let's open this anchor. Anchor A stands in the first place. Okay, yeah, here it is, anchor tag. Let me change the title, anch anchor tag or element, and yeah, it will be fine. We're able to see the anchor tag on the title. What else we can do? Yeah, anchor tag can be represented in this manner. Like I'm just typing a, we are able to see this anchor a. I'm hitting on enter, so we are able to see anchor href, right? Here when I write something like view page, just we have saw in the in the demo session, right? Here the anchor tag view, and here the link goes here. Here we need to write some other page, like let me take something like table form, right? Table form.html, we have the file there, table form.html, we have that, right? See, we are able to see the link here, right? When I hit on this link, we are able to render to another page. It looks so nice, right? If user hits on any link or an image, we can hit on that and that will be redirected to this. Not only the table form.html, even you can give the facebook.com. Let me show you, /facebook.com. Will it work? What do you say? Let's see, like here you are able to see, right, the view page hyperlink is showing in blue color. By default it will be shown in blue color. When the user hits on that, like it is an active mode, then it will be changed to red. Like I am just pressing on that, so it is changing to red color, and if I revisit to that page, it will be changed to purple, right? What did I say? Initially blue, right? And then what else? Revisited means visited purple. Yeah, and active is red. When it is an active mode, then it will be in red color. Yeah, and let me put this in comment so it will be easy to you. So even you can add a target here. Like let me show what target means. Target, let's explore the target. In previous video I've asked you to explore about this target, blank, self, parent and top. Let's explore here itself. Yeah, I'm just saving here. Before saying, it's showing some error. It's kind of VS Code settings, and let me disable that. Yeah, now it's vanished. Let me hit on this view page. When I hit on view, here the target is set to blank, so for that reason it is rendering in next page. Okay, let's check with another element like parent. We don't have any parent, right? Okay, let me click on this. So parent means it will be rendered in the same page. Okay, this is another thing, and you can explore with self and top. Okay, you can check that with different scenarios. And this is about the anchor tag, and even you can embed it the links or uh, what can I say, yeah, the images here. So before this, even I can write in this manner like inside the p tag. What is p tag? P tag is a paragraph tag. We are using in HTML just for write a para there. Please visit some YouTube. Okay, I'm just writing the text here, and inside this even I can write an anchor tag here. See, I'm just writing an anchor tag like https://youtube.com, right? It's click here. Yeah, so when we are able to see click here, when I hit on this click, it will be rendered in the same page, like it is in parent mode, and we are able to see the youtube.com website. So this is about the anchor tag. Even you can embed it, what can I say, we can write some images. I mean, we can import the images from there, we can embed it, this link to that. Let's see in next videos what is images, and what about the audio video tags, right? Thanks for the video. So thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, please comment down. Thank you.